channel. This is Clarizz. I do want to address that I know this whole world is going through some crazy and tough times right now. I just want to be here and share my love and light towards all of you and all of your family members and loved ones. Hopefully you're all staying safe at this time. And having said that, I do want to continue sharing with all of you some DIY videos and also some mama videos on this channel. So I did my Easter shopping a little bit earlier last month, and unfortunately a couple of these items that I'm going to be sharing with all of you is from the Dollar Tree. I have no idea the condition around the country right now, whether some Dollar Trees are open or not, but this is definitely a time for a lot more creativity. And so I want to share with all of you my DIY Easter decors. I did throw in some upcycled items and also a couple easy things that you can do around your household. So hopefully you get inspired, and let's get right to it.
So I got these bunnies from the Dollar Tree a while back, and these were really cool because they're pretty big and they can store a lot of different candies if you wanted to use them for that purpose. But we are going to be using this as a bunny topiary that you can display outside your porch or on top of your mantle. I first used some acrylic paint also from the Dollar Tree to paint the bunny green, and then I went on to glue it all together and got this floral moss also from the Dollar Tree. They came in pretty large bunches, so I wanted to make them a lot smaller. So you want to go ahead and cut all of that down. And I thought I could use a glue gun to glue everything together, but it was honestly best to just take some liquid white glue or even some clear glue to put all the moss in. Pat the moss hard down on the bunny, wait for it to dry, and then you can go ahead and put it on a nice little planter. Our next DIY, I wanted to get a little bit creative and use some things that we have in the house. So I wanted to make a bunny stamp out of a potato, and this one was so easy because you can literally just draw anything that you want on there, an outline of a bunny or an outline of an Easter egg, and then you want to go ahead and just carve out all the parts of the potatoes that's not going to be part of your stamp. You want to do this carefully and do it with a nice sharp knife or even an X-Acto knife, but just be really cautious when you're using sharp objects. I made 2 different stamps and I think they turned out really cool. The great thing about these is you can literally stamp anything that you want. For my Valentine's DIY that I did a while back, I wanted to upcycle these wooden boards that I also got from the Dollar Tree and basically use them for this Easter. So I went on to paint them white again and just cover the LOVE sign that I put on there. And I just wanted to stamp a couple of these cute bunnies on each of the wooden boards that I have, which I had a total of 4, but then I ended up only putting 3 on my mantle. And it totally worked out great. It's super simple, but yet I love the look that it gave. I also used these stamps to decorate some cards, and it's great because again you can customize the colors that you can put on them, and the bunnies just turned out so stinking cute. For our last DIY, we're just going to put together an Easter garland that you can put over your mantle, and this is literally just made out of cardstock paper and also some yarn. All you have to do is trace an outline of a bunny. You can print out a picture on the internet and then cut that down and trace it on the cardstock paper and then cut it all together. Or you can simply just freehand it, whatever it is that you're more comfortable with. We're gonna also make some fluffy pom-pom balls out of this yarn, and all you have to do is wrap around some of that yarn around your fingers. The more you wrap around, the fluffier they can get, so you can go ahead and wrap as much as you want. And then all you want to do is take a string and just tie a knot all around that, because we are going to be cutting the outside part of this yarn. So you can really see this take form into a nice circle, and then all you have to do is cut down the yarn so that it's a little bit more even, and just fluff out all of the fibers that's in there to make it a little bit more fluffy, or a lot more fluffy, just like this. I also found these paper flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I thought that they would go really well in between the bunnies and also the pom-poms. So all you have to do is take a string, and you can go ahead and take a glue gun and put all of that together. I love how I was able to customize the colors for the decor of my home, and that's all there is to it.